The Department of Agriculture's latest brainchild to keep prices of produce down is all set to kick off by next weekend. Dubbed the Agri-Truck Rebate Program, the scheme seeks to refund close to 60 pesos in toll charges agricultural trucks with produce cargoes incur in delivery trips using the expressways or freeways. To avail of this rebate or discounted toll rates, accredited food delivery trucks can sign up online to register. And once complete, the discount applies and accumulates over a weekly period, after which the entire savings is credited to those registered trucks in their RFID accounts. Savings these merchants could pass on down the line to retail and consumers for lower cost buys on veggies and food items. The rebate program is on for 3 weeks beginning June.
Sa kabawasan sa presyuhan ng ating agri-commodities, lalo na sa bigas, weekly yung rebates. So bawat pasok noong sasakyan na accredited ng DA at saka ng TRB ay magkakaroon ng parang discount. Pag naipon yon every week, ibabalik doon sa kanilang RFID accounts. Pag naipon actually yon, mararamdaman nila kahit papaano, hopefully doon sa bawat kilo ng commodities. Sa loob ng isang linggo, sa loob ng isang buwan, malaking kabawasan.
Magandang development yan. Malaking bagay yan na yung delivery na mabawasan yung presyo. Malaking discount yun dahil yung pagdala nila dun sa Metro Manila, ang laki ng toll fee, mga 400 plus. So yun, madi-discount dun dapat dun sa retail.